Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily enable or disable two-sided original in the fax settings on the CANON i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the menu, now select the function settings and go over to send. Here in the fax settings, we will need to change the default settings of the fax, and here we will have the two-sided original. So here we can enable it to be either a book type or a calendar type depending on your preference and your needs. So for example, we can change it to the book type. Now we can apply those settings, and now I'll show you the second way on how you guys can do that. So here we are at the website. Now let me log out and show you guys where to go. We need to select System Manager mode and enter the remote UI access pin. For me it's 1234, but if you changed it or forgot yours, you guys can set up a new one in the printer. So let's click on login. Let's go to settings and registration on the right side. And now in the function settings, we need to go to the TX settings. We will have the fax TX settings right here. And now what we can do is we can edit the basic settings by clicking here. And here we have the two-sided original. So as you guys can see, now it's a book type because we changed it. And here, for example, we can disable it. And now we can click on OK. As you guys can see, now this setting is changed. And that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.